Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm doing round 2 Ebisu Circuit West course, but in the rain because probably gonna be in the rain next year, especially Ebisu because that's up north. I feel like it's a pretty good chance either qualifying or practice or competition. The whole thing's gonna be in the rain. So I wanted to make sure I went back through, practiced all these courses in the rain and try to get as much information and practice as I can before I go there in real life. So I'm gonna do some leads just to start out. I have driven this track in real life in the rain, not like the comp layout. I don't think I've done it on the sim yet, so let's see. Also, side note, car changes, all I did was drop the tire pressure. I'm sure there's a lot more I could dive into, but for now, I'm just gonna keep it simple. I can't really see all that much, so that's fun. Okay. Yeah. I am having trouble seeing through the windscreen because we don't have wipers. Ooh, I feel pretty damn good. I don't know who was following me, but I feel like it was a good lead run. I feel like I hit everything. I think the last inner clip I could have been a little closer, but I think both the outer zones were Gucci. I'm gonna do one more lead, but honestly, I'm already feeling pretty good.
I can't see out of this thing.
I was trying to be like really on the wall. Windshield wipers are definitely a must. I'm not gonna lie, I'm having trouble seeing like through this. But I guess it's good practice. We're for sure one off there. That outer zone is Gucci. Oh, beautiful on that inner. Oh, one tire red on the thing. Okay, it's still not perfect, but I'm pretty happy with that. I think I'm ready, honestly. I know I'm ready to move on to some tandems, to some chase, because I feel pretty good. This course, I think, came a lot more natural than the last one did, transferring from dry to wet. Also, like I've been saying, the last one didn't have clipping points and zones, and that does make it hard for everyone to stay consistent, and it kind of felt like I was learning the course again, trying to remember where everything was. This one, it's awesome, it has everything there, so you just gotta draw a line connecting everything, right? So, but yeah, anyways, I feel good about that. Obviously I could still work a little bit on the entry, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm having a lot of trouble spotting with like all the rain effects and stuff and no wipers. I'm having a little trouble spotting like exactly where I am on entry. Once I'm like in turn, I'm looking out the side windows and it's not as bad. Let's try some chase. As always, that helps us learn a little bit more about the track too. So let's do this. Oh no!
Keep going, you're good.
So Thumbs is in the lead. He had a great lead run, honestly. I just let him get a little bit too far ahead off the start, and then I was kind of playing catch up. I was really trying to push it and like kind of cut and catch up on his door there, but it didn't pan out. Four wide. Alright, just for fun, we're gonna recover it. So if you guys noticed, obviously, I mean, my lap was already kind of trash. Raleigh missed that inner clip there. I'm calling you out, sorry. That gave me a chance to kind of attack and gain that proximity. So I still hit the outer zone just like he did, but then since he washed out and missed the inner clip, that's such a great opportunity if you are somewhat far back to kind of, you hit the inner clip and gain proximity. That's gonna get you like a lot of points. My lap was at kind of already probably a 0 though. I really f***ed up by putting a wheel off in the grass, but still good practice. Sorry, I got a little aggressive there, but that was sick. Alright, we're gonna go in the back of the train just for fun. I'm honestly feeling pretty good. I think I definitely want to do some more runs, but obviously there's still some stuff to perfect and I can change the setup. But overall, this course I feel like came pretty naturally for me. I like the way the entry works and the rest of the course. This is just a minor thing. I'm just checking my speed on the entry, make sure I don't drop a tire in the grass. But also, I think Assetto is pretty exaggerated. At least on this track, you're done for. But that's definitely something to watch out for. Otherwise though, I'm pretty freaking pumped. I want to try to get a little bit more aggressive though. Let's try to be on the door on the entry and try to maintain it the whole time. That would be a good test. Okay, I want to do one thing just for fun. I just want to see how reverse I can get. So I'll lead. You guys don't have to chase unless you. We may crash. Oh, where somebody what the fuck just happened? This course is just so much freaking fun. Holy crap. Alright, I'm ending it on that. I've had a lot of fun. It's cool because for me, I love these 6 courses, you know, I just think they're so fun and to me a lot more interesting than the current US courses. I feel because I find them more fun and more interested in them, I'm just enjoying driving them more and I'm better at it. So I'm pretty stoked. Obviously, you guys are watching these videos, I'm gonna still be practicing a bunch offline, but I just kind of want to show you guys kind of what I'm feeling and what I'm thinking. But we're gonna get it even more dialed in the next couple months before we go there in real life. So I hope you guys will come along for the journey. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Also check out our merch, haugenracing.com. That helps fund this whole craziness. All right, I love you guys. Peace.